Hello, today we are going to learn how to create a list using Python coding. For this purpose, we are using W3Schools Python server. Let's suppose our variable is games. We use square brackets to create a list, and we use double quotes. This is the name of our game Minecraft. Separate it with commas. Then our second game is Roblox, separated by comma, again double quote, and let's say Fortnite. Now we want to print our list, so we used small p for this, lowercase p, and when we type it, now we run it. So here is our list of games printed. Now what I'm going to do is going to print the item at index 0. So we type print parenthesis games, which is our variable, and then using the square brackets we type 0 and then we run. We get Minecraft. So it means that Minecraft is actually indexed at 0. Thank you. Alright, so if further we want to print some item indexed at indexed 1, so we copy this code, paste it over here, and we just change the index to 1, and when we run we get Roblox. It means Roblox is at index 1. So actually in Python coding, when we create a list, the first item is indexed at 0. The second item is actually indexed at 1. I hope you understand it and enjoy it. Thank you.